What advanced techniques does Babel use for JavaScript optimization? Imagine turning a messy room into a perfectly organized space with just a few clever tricks. Babel does something similar for JavaScript code during development. It uses advanced techniques to make your code run faster, be smaller, and work smoothly across different browsers. One of these tricks is selective transpilation. Developers can tell Babel to skip files that don't need changing, like static assets or code already compatible with browsers. This saves time and speeds up the build process. Babel can also produce compact output by using a special mode called compact mode. This makes the final code smaller, which helps websites load faster. To get rid of unused code, Babel uses Minification plugins. These plugins remove parts of the code that are never run, making the bundle leaner. This not only reduces download size but also improves how quickly the code runs. Babel also keeps the modern JavaScript syntax, like import and export statements, intact. This allows tools called bundlers to perform tree shaking, which removes code that isn't used, cutting down the size even more. When targeting specific browsers, Babel uses a preset called a Babel preset env. This preset compiles only the features unsupported in those browsers, avoiding unnecessary code and keeping things lightweight. For features like generators or async functions, Babel includes runtime helpers. These helpers are shared utilities that prevent duplication across files, making the final bundle smaller and faster. Babel supports code splitting and lazy loading, which are patterns that load only the code needed for the current interaction. While Babel handles the syntax transformation, it works with bundlers to make this happen seamlessly. Lastly, Babel integrates with build tools to respect performance budgets. This means it can limit transpilation scope and use caching to keep builds quick and efficient. Understanding these techniques helps developers write modern code that performs well everywhere. Proper Babel setup ensures you can use the latest JavaScript features without sacrificing speed or compatibility.